In order to obtain your TikTok stream key and begin streaming, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to confirm your eligibility. Check that your TikTok meets requirements of having at least 1,000 followers, and you need to be over 16 years old or 18 for gifting. Now launch the TikTok application on your mobile device or go to the web browser and then go to tiktok.com and log into your account. After you launch the TikTok application, tap on the plus icon at the bottom to create a post and then select Go Live. And if this is your first time streaming, TikTok will prompt you to set up your streaming settings as well. Now you can open the TikTok Live Studio or third-party applications such as Streamlabs or OBS and then connect it with your streaming software. And once connected, you will receive your stream key and the server URL. Copy your stream key and server URL and then open your streaming software like OBS Studio and then paste the server URL and stream key into the corresponding fields and you'll be done. Now you're ready to stream on TikTok using your chosen third-party software. Note that TikTok does not provide a stream key for mobile streaming. For mobile streaming, you need to go directly from the app without needing an external stream key. And if you want to use the third-party software like OBS, you will need to stream using TikTok Live Studio, which is available on desktop. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.